everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for our Monday meal. So today's Monday meal is from the slowcookergourmet.net, and it is a slow cooker beef curry recipe, except my mom used venison because that's the kind of meat we have. So it's a slow cooker venison curry, and it is delicious. So definitely give this one a try if you like curry. If you're not a fan of spice, then you're not going to like it. But curry is very tasty, and our family likes it. So this is a slow cooker venison curry. Hope you guys had a great week last week. Of course, you saw my Memorial Day video. You know what I did. And I just wanted to let you know that if you like this video, would you please give us a thumbs up? And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Hope you guys have a great first Monday in June. And enjoy our Monday meal. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Okay, as Yoda said, we're making a slow cooker venison curry. We've got the Instapot on slow cook for 8 to 10 hours. That's up to you. It's on low. And of course, when you put the lid on, it has to be venting when you're slow cooking. Okay, so this is about a 2-pound roast, venison roast that has been chopped up, because you have to chop it up for this particular recipe, just to make sure that all of the seasoning gets everywhere. So it's a curry. So here's what we got in there besides the chopped up roast. So there's half a cup of chopped onion. I'm using the frozen onion. There's a tablespoon of minced garlic. There's this thing of coconut milk. You're supposed to use a can. I had these. Then 3 tablespoons of curry powder, a teaspoon of sea salt, and that is what is in there. So I've stirred it up, and now we're going to put the lid on and let it slow cook on venting all day on low. And then you could serve it over rice or whatever you'd like. That's probably what I'll do. So then I'll show you the finished product after it's been 8 hours. Hi everyone. Okay, so we're done. It has been more than 8 hours on low, and I just tried a piece and it's delicious. So this is what the sauce looks like with the meat, and then I'm adding this curried rice that I made to go with it, and then some kale. So that's what we're having. What are you guys gonna do with it? Can't wait to see it. Happy Monday.